This pandemic greatly affected the economy and has serious consequences on food security, public health, education, and employment. In order to save lives and livelihoods while adhering to workplace safety and health practices, DOST XI, an ISO 9001-2015 certified and a PQA Level 2 recipient organization, thought of an innovative solution. This pandemic manual is a solid proof that DOST XI is an agile and proactive organization with mastery in providing excellent public service through science, engineering, technology, and innovation.